Okay, so take a look. Now we're doing SOHCAHTOA here, right? And what we need to do is figure out what is the missing side, which is the x. Now to do that, we're going to need a formula here, which is SOHCAHTOA. And I have it written here, S over OH, C over AH, T over OA. So what you're doing is you're seeing which of these two pieces of information you have, this, and then you get to decide which formula you're using. Let's look at number 3. So right here, well, I need to find information that I have. Well, I have a 12, okay? So that means I'm using this H, obviously, right? So doing that. What other piece of information? Well, you could say, hold on, there's nothing here. It's just an X. There's no number. And there's nothing here. There's nothing there. Well, yes, that is true. However, what happens is we need to solve for this X, and this X is just a placeholder for information. It's saying, you don't know the number yet, but this is where it goes. So this is a piece of information too, so we need to check that. So that means we have O and H. Which formula uses O and H? Sine. Okay, so right now in my calculator, what I want to do is I want to put sine of, and then our degrees, our angle of interest, 46 equals, and then it's opposite over hypotenuse. That's what our formula says. The opposite side over the hypotenuse side. So opposite is x, and then the hypotenuse is 12. Very good. Now what I want to do, here's what happened. Here's what I want to do. I have to try, let me get a different color here. I have to try to solve for this x. Right now, this says sine of 46, which is like a formula. We don't need to type it in our calculators yet. And then this is x divided by 12. So I need to get rid of that divided by 12, right? I want to get x by itself. Just like if I had this, 3 plus x equals 5, right? I want to get everything away from that x, so I'd go minus 3, x equals 2, right? That's how I'd solve that. We're doing it kind of the same way here. Let me erase this so I'm not confusing anybody. Okay, here we go. So now what I need to do is I need to get rid of this 12, so I multiply by 12. Times 12. Yeah. And then times 12. So now this says 12 times sine of 46. And that's going to give us what our answer is. So in your calculators, on your TI-84, which is on your computer, I want you to put 12. Everybody do this now, please. 12 times, and then hit that sin or that sign button. See how there's a parentheses that comes with it? Let me show you my calculator. 12 times sine of 46, and then equals. And you should get this number. So then equals, and then x, and it says that equals 10.82. And there's more numbers, but that's okay. We're just going to go to this range. So what that 10.82 is the x. That means this side is 10.82. That's how long it is. That's our answer. Okay? Let's do another one now in just a second. Okay, you just really got to make sure we're using our formulas because those are what is going to save us. You got to know that. SOHCAHTOA, how to spell it. All right? Okay, let's get started here.